Today we're making a couple wooden crates, and most of the wood we use will be scrap material left over from previous projects. And we're using these to decorate for the holidays, but you could also use them to make storage containers with. Since we're working with scrap material, I will have to change the size just a little bit, but I'm going to still try to get the same look that we have with this one. So as you can tell, it does not take very much material to be able to build a set of wooden crates. And either you can use this to store stuff in, or around the holidays you can use it for decorations. If y'all enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the top right hand corner of the screen. And until next time, thank y'all for watching.